Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will continue with this exercise 16.1 from the section mensuration, okay, of your book. Question number 1, 2 and 3 we have already done in previous class. I have explained you through WhatsApp videos, okay, and the necessary formulas also I have given out there. So let's see question number 4. The side of triangular field are 975 meter, 1050 meter and 1125 meter. Okay, if the field is sold at the rate of rupees 1000 per hectare, find its selling price. You have to find the selling price, total selling price. That means you have to, first of all, you have to find the area of the field. Okay, so you copy the question. It is given sides. Your field is like this, triangular field. Okay, three sides are given. One is 975 meter, another is 1050 meter, and another is 1025 meter. If the field is sold, selling price per hectare is given 1000. Okay, per hectare, rupees 1000 per hectare. You have to find the total selling price, and the relation is 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. This relation you should know. Okay, first of all, let's find the area in meter square, and then let's convert it to hectares, and then we have to do. Okay, so given sides, A is equals to 975 meter. This one, let it be A, let it be A, let it be B, and let it be C. Okay, you can choose in random order. You can take this A, this B, and this C, in any order you can take. Okay, B is equals to 1050 meter and C is equals to 1125 meter. Here the three sides of triangle are not equal, they are unequal sides. Okay, so this is a scleron triangle. I have already explained you the meaning of scleron triangle in previous video, and I have given the formula to find area also. Area of scleron triangle is calculated by using the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C within the root. First of all, we have to find S. S means semi-perimeter. We know S stands for semi-perimeter. Okay, semi-perimeter is given by A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi-perimeter. Semi means half. Half of perimeter. So 975 plus 1050 plus 1125 divided by 2. On addition, how much you will get? 1050, 1125 and 975. It will be 0. 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 2, 3. 3150. 3150 divided by 2. This 2. Okay, so again let me check. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carried over. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 16. 1, 6, 16. So 9. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Do the calculation. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is carried 15. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 1575. This is the semi perimeter. Now area. Area, first of all, let's write the formula. Okay, root under S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula for area. Let's put the value. S is 1575. S is 1575 minus A is 975. Next is S this. 1575 minus B is 1050. Next is, I'll write here, okay? You write just beside this one here. So S is 1575 minus C is 1125 within the root. Within the root, this one. Okay. So if you do the simplification out here, you'll get root under, okay? Root under 1575, this value remains as it is, 1575 into, if you subtract this and this, you'll get 600 into, if you subtract this and this minus this will be how much? 525. Let me check, okay? Let me check. 1575 minus 1050, 525. We will get 525 into this one. If we subtract this and this, we will get 450. Now we have to do the simplification, factorization of these numbers, okay? And we have to get the perfect square values. So let's factorize this one. 1575. Let's factorize with 5. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, again with 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15. Now let's factorize with 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Again let's factorize with 3 7s are 21. So 1 is done. Okay, 5 into 3 into 7, this is done. Now 600 will be factorized with 3 200s are 600, 3 2s are 600. Okay, 200 times, 250 times, 225 times, and 5 times. So into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 3 2 2 2 5 5, 3 2 2 2 5 5. Now next 525, 525. 5 1s are 5, 0s are 0, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 7s are 21. So 5 5 3 7, 5 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 450. 7, we factorize with prime numbers. Okay, 7 5s are 35, 0s are, sorry, you cannot factorize with 7. Let's factorize with 3, otherwise 5. Okay, 5 9s are 45, 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 45 8s are 40, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 5 5 3 3 2, 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 to 2, 5 5 3 3 2. Okay, so this is within the root. This one is within the root. Now let's select, make the pairs. This is one pair. So from root, out of 2 5s, 1 comes out, into, this is another pair. So you can take out 3. Next 7 and 7. 7 and another 7 is here. So out of that 2 you can take out 1. Next 3 and this 3. Out of this you can take out 1, 3. Okay. Next out of this 2 you can take out 1. 2 into 2 is 2. Okay. Next 2 and another 2, where is there? This one you can select. So 2 into, next 5 and 5, this you can select 1, into, next this 5 and 5 you can choose 1, into this 2. You can select 1 into out of these two pairs you can choose 1, 3. So this is the value. Okay, so if you multiply this, no need to put root. Okay, the value of this will be this much. It will be equals to how much? 5 3 is 15. Say okay, let's do the multiplication. Okay, on multiplication, if you multiply this, you will get 472500. Okay, on multiplication you will get this value. Okay, you multiply it. I have used calculator for the multiplication here. Okay, so you do in rough column and then write the value. This one. This is meter square. Now you have to convert this value in hectares because the cost is given per hectare. Okay, cost is given per hectare. You have to convert this in hectare. So relation is 1 hectare, H means hectare. Okay, 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. So from here 1 by 10,000 hectares is equals to 1 meter square. If this goes in denominator, so 1 meter square is 1 by 10,000 hectares. So it will be equals to 472500 divided by 10,000 hectares. Hectares. Okay, you have to divide in order to convert this because 1 meter is 1 by 10,000 hectare. Do the cancellation. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This also you note down. Okay, in rough column you note this value. So we have got 4725 divided by 100 hectares. Okay, this will be 4 point comes here 47.25 hectares. Therefore total selling price is equals to, if the field is sold at rate of rupees 1000 per hectare, find its selling price. So selling price will be rate into this one 47.25. so rate is 1000 per hectare into 47.25. so 1000 into 4725 divided by 100. This and this gets cancelled. Your answer will be rupees 4725 with this 0. This is how you have to solve. Okay, so this question was quite lengthy. Now let's move on to another question. Question number 5. The base of right angle triangle is 12 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter long. Find its area and perimeter. You have to find the area and perimeter. So for that you can use another formula to find area of right angled triangle. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5 is the base of right angled triangle. There is a right angled triangle like this. Let it be A, B and C. Base means this one. Okay, base of right angled triangle is 12 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter long. Hypotenuse is this one, 13 centimeter. We have done trigonometry. There I have explained you the meaning of base, hypotenuse and perpendicular. Okay, this side is not given. 13 centimeter long. Find its area and perimeter. We have to find the area and perimeter. So first let's find this side. Okay, and then we can use directly the formula. Area is equals to half into base means this BC into height means this AB. This is the formula to find area of right angled triangle. Okay, otherwise instead of using this you can use the previous formula also. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C within the root. That also you can use, but this is very simple. Okay, if the triangle is given right angled triangle, then use this formula. Area is equals to half into base into height. So given base, I'll write base B is equals to 12 centimeter, hypotenuse H is 13 centimeter, perpendicular is question mark. So we know Pythagoras theorem, we know h square is equals to p square plus b square. We have used this formula in trigonometry. So h is 13, square is equals to perpendicular is unknown, base is 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. If you take this side, 140 minus 144, okay, equals to p square. So 169, it will be 25 is equals to p square. So 25 means 5 square is equals to p square. 5 into 5 is 25, isn't it? So this and this square gets cancelled. So perpendicular equals to perpendicular is equals to 5 centimeter. So the value of this side we got 5 centimeter. Okay, now we know area area is equals to half into base into height. Height means perpendicular, okay, p, not hypotenuse. This height means perpendicular, okay, not hypotenuse, remember that. So base, half into base is how much? 12 into height, we have got 5. Height means perpendicular, okay, remember this. So 2 1 2, 2 6 12, 6 5 30. Answer is 30 square centimeter. This is your answer. Now another, you have to find the perimeter also. Find its area and perimeter. I'll erase this part. Again, perimeter. Perimeter is equals to question mark. It is sum of sides. I have already given the formula. Sum of sides. Sides means this one. Base plus hypotenuse plus perpendicular. 3 sides. Okay. So base is 12 plus 13 plus perpendicular is 5. So it will be how much? 3 4 5. 25 plus 5 is 30 centimeter. So there is a difference between unit of area and unit of perimeter. Unit of perimeter is this one, centimeter only in this case, okay, and area is square centimeter, and volume will be cubic centimeter. So these units are very, very important. You should write the units properly, okay. So question number 6, find the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 meter. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Question number 6 is your home task. Question number 6 is your home task. Question number 6, you are given side, let it be A, okay, equals to 8 centimeter. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means triangle having all the 3 sides equal. So I have explained that that in previous video, okay. Area is equals to root 3 by 4 A square. This is the formula to find area of equilateral triangle. Using this formula you find the value, okay. Root 3 means 1.732. Instead of root 3 you write this 1.732 and then you simplify, okay. So you have to write your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Question number 7. Question number 7 is if the area of equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter, find its perimeter. That I'll explain you, okay. Question number 7 is if the area of equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter square, find its perimeter. So given area is 81 root 3 centimeter square, okay, and the triangle is equilateral, equilateral. Equilateral means having all the sides equal, 3 sides equal, okay. This is equals to this equals to this. So you put the formula of area. Area is root 3 by 4 A square. is equals to 81 root 3. Let's not write the unit right now, okay? So from here, root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. Numerator, below this you have 1. Okay, numerator and numerator from left hand side and right hand side you can directly cancel. A square by 4 is equals to 81. So A square will be equals to 4 into 81. So A square will be equals to 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So it is the square root of it is square of 18. A square is equals to 18 square, because 24 is perfect square number. Okay, its square will be 18. 324 if you do the LCM, if you do factorization, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. Okay, 2 8 are 2, 1 are 9, 9 is 81. So out of this you can write 1 9, and out of this pair you can write 1 2. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, 18 square. So square gets cancelled. You get A is equals to 18. A means side. This is side. Okay. Therefore, perimeter. Your question was to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to side plus side plus side. Okay. A plus A plus A. Sum of the sides. So A plus A is 18 plus 18 plus 18. So it will be how much? 3 into 18. Okay, it's 16 24. 1 2 3 4 54 centimeter only. Unit will be centimeter only. Okay, don't write centimeter square. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is if the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter, calculate its area and height. So given perimeter is equals to 36 centimeter. You have to find area and the height. Okay. Perimeters formula for the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a. 3 sides. You have to add 3 sides. A. So A plus A will be 3a. Okay. 3a is equals to 36. So A will be equals to 36 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Side equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area is equals to root 3 by 4 A square. This is the formula to find area of equilateral triangle. Okay, this is for EQUILATERL, equilateral triangle. So root 3 by 4 into A is 12 square. A square, 12 square. So from there, will be equals to root 3 by 4 into 12 square is 144. So cancel it. 4 3s are okay. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 24. 4 6s are 24. So root 3 into 36. Put the value of root 3. Root 3 means 1.732 into 36. Value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay. So multiply this and you'll get the answer. So on multiplication, on multiplying these two numbers, you'll get 62 point. I've used the calculator. Okay, 62.352. 352. You do rough work. Okay, on your own. Multiply 1732 into 36, and you put the decimal. Decimal will be before 3 digits. 1 2 3. Before 3 digits, you have to put the decimal. Okay, here. This is centimeter square. After this, you have to find the height also. Also find the height of the triangle. For that, you use the formula half into base into height. To find height. Height means this one. Okay. This is question mark. This we have got 12. Base is 12. You have to find the height. Okay. To find height, area is equals to this value, or you can write 36 root 3 also you can write, okay, or you can write this value 62.352. area is this much. We have got this. So put the value, put the formula for area: half into base into height is equals to 62.352. 62.352. okay, so half into base is 12 into height is unknown, so 62.352 2 6 are 12, so it implies height will be equals to 62.352 divided by 6. This 6 comes in the denominator, okay. Divided by 6. So you do the division work. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. 2 you cannot divide by 6, so 0 times. Okay, now 23 becomes 23. Point will be here only. 23. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 55. 55 means 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 1, so 1 to 12. 6 2s are 12. Height is 10.392. This is your answer, centimeter. Answer. Okay. So this was question number 8. Question number 9 and question number 10 is your home task. Okay. So this much for today's class. Thank you.